Well, I thought that we could heat this up and kind of melt it and soften it, but I've heated on this for like 10 minutes now and it's not even like soft. I don't know. I might have to accept defeat or take it off or use a bigger torch. I'm not sure what to do yet. I am thinking we could take a jack and put it in between these bent in spots right here and push those out with a little bottle jack. I would have to probably take the point off, which would be fine. But it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon and the dryer's going and we gotta go do other stuff. I think we're gonna just put this on hold. That's what we're gonna do. Alright, this is attempt number 2 to try to get this thing back in business. I'm gonna put this bottle jack right in here. If I can spread these two bent parts out, I think that maybe I can heat it with the torch, hopefully. Otherwise, we'll just buy a new one. It's not gonna happen again. It's so bent down, it's just gonna happen again. Food bar. There's no hope for it. Well, we busted a snout on the corn head. We blew an oil line on the truck. So it's just been a fun, eventful day. So I'm gonna go home. I need rest because I'm sick. That's my excuse. But I'm still a real farmer because, well, I don't know. I don't know what makes me a real farmer today. We're gonna survive another day and we are gonna, I guess, get a new snout in the morning. There will come more entertaining days. You must just keep watching. Well, good morning, everybody. It's another day on the Schraders farm. Thanks for tagging along with us. Last night I left work and this snout was bent and busted up. We got to get a replacement for it. That part's not in stock. This is something we may not know about farmers, but when parts aren't in stock, we get really desperate and really resourceful so that we can keep going and keep harvesting, especially when it's something like a dumb snout that isn't super critical to the whole process. So you guys are gonna be really proud of me. I fixed the snout. I always wondered what these things were for, and now I know. It's so that when you break your snout, you can tie a ratchet strap to it and pull down on the snout so that it's at the right angle to match all the other snouts like this. Pull down on it and you just tighten the ratchet and the snout goes up. That was easy. Easy fix. We're gonna get through the day like this. Well, I'm hoping that nothing catches this and pulls it down, because if it does, it's probably gonna rip this off. However, it's pretty solid. I put it up a little higher so that these points will be lower than anything else, and this point will always be a little elevated so that hopefully it won't catch anything. That's my first farmer fix for the day. We never know what the day's gonna bring. Okay, please ignore everything in the last video, because look, we had one on the shelf in the shed. This is for our old head. It's a little different, but I think it'll work. It definitely doesn't have the holes for this, or maybe these self-drilled holes. I don't really know. So I'm gonna undo all this. So we're not gonna have this cool fin on our new one, but, well, I don't actually think it looks cool. I think they kind of look stupid. I guess I should have done the outside one first. Oh, this is gonna fall on me. Struggle. Whooshing. Oh, cough drops. All right, now I gotta see if I can get those bushings out that are in those holes. The other one doesn't have them on it. Ow! Ow! Oh, my shin! Ow! That was not supposed to happen. Ah, I hate when I miss my foot in the shin. Man. Gotcha. Aye. Gotcha. Oh. Let's hope it's the same point. That would be embarrassing if it wasn't. Well, great. It is a little bit wider, or am I just daydreaming here? I guess it's about the same. What part number is this? 6, 5, 7, 8. So whatever. We're gonna give her a whirl. This one's in here, like so. Look, I'm a cone head. Guess we gotta smack it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tighten. For the last time. Oh. Better, yeah. I'm gonna go start the combine and put the head down. Got her. All right, last but not least, we gotta take the point thing off this thing here. Put on that one. Hopefully the nuts come off. Well, I'm gonna go get a socket. It would be worth the trip over to get a socket. And around. Sometimes if nuts don't come off, you just have to growl at them. I own you. Ah, you own me. Got it. Whew. Hammer. That's another nut. Oh, great. It's almost right here. There it is. Gracious. Ah, I win. Combine's warmed up. I don't have a truck here, but we're gonna go load up the combine anyway, and by the time we get done doing that, we might have something to go get to dump into. That is the current plan. Yeah, that sound's not gonna last very long. A little lower than all the others.